Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is How Refusing to Sign a Ticket Turns into a Felony.
Police conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle with an illegally covered license plate and discover much more.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
My name's Deputy Mendes, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over for two reasons. Are you marked?
Yeah.
Okay, license is suspended. Okay. Number two, the tag cover around the surrounding your tag. That's the second reason.
What do you mean?
Your license is suspended.
How is it suspended?
I don't know. I need your license, registration, insurance, please. I have to check that out. You're the registered owner, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's this. I gotta grab it here.
All right, just hang tight, okay? All right, sir. Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle for me. You can leave all your stuff there. Just come back here. All right, so listen up. So your license is suspended because of your insurance.
My insurance is valid. There was less than 24 hours. My insurance is valid. I paid my insurance card. I paid my insurance bill.
Okay. I'm just letting you know on the system is showing suspended since July because of last year because of no insurance. Okay. Now, if you have insurance now, I don't know, but they suspended it in July. Okay. So with that being said, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm just giving you
Your vehicle's gonna get towed.
A criminal citation. Okay. All right. So you get a citation for license being suspended. Have your license while being suspended. The registration, insurance. Okay. Now I'm gonna explain to you. You're gonna have a court date. Fix all that. Get your license reinstated. Get your insurance, get your registration, bring it to court. And if you get all that and bring it to court, most likely the judge will throw it out. Most likely. I cannot tell you they will, but it's a possibility if you come with everything all good. Okay? So with that being said, I just need you to sign here what you're signing not a minute ago. You're signing saying you're going to show up to court. Your court dates, I have them right here. I'll explain to you once you sign over here, okay? And also, with that being said, the state of Florida has a cease tag order on your tag. So I'm going to be taking your tag with me, okay?
What do you mean, Jay? I'm legit. I'm legit. I have a license, registration, and insurance. I am completely legit.
Okay,
I'm telling you the truth.
explaining to you. I'm not saying that you're lying, but I'm letting you know that the system in the state of Florida is showing you suspended.
Well, can we go over the system together? Because I was just trying to check that.
There's nothing I could do to help you with this, sir. So I just need you to sign right here.
Well, dude, I can't have you take my tail.
Refusal to sign, you're gonna get locked up.
Hell?
You can't drive.
And they gonna tow it.
No, I need you to call your officer right now. Your manager right now. I need you to call your manager because I am legal. Everything is legal with me.
I'm gonna ask you. You want a supervisor? Is that what you want?
Yeah, I want a
I'm gonna ask you before I call a supervisor. Are you gonna sign the citations?
Why should I sign the
Hey,
citations?
I'm letting you know. If you don't sign the citations, you're going to jail. So are you gonna sign before I call my supervisor? That way I can let them know two things at one time. You want to?
Yeah, but you're lying to me right now. Or no, you may not be lying to me, officer. What you're receiving is information that may be not legit. I could call my insurance company right now and let you know that I have insurance.
I'm not saying that you don't have insurance, but they suspended. There might have been a time that you didn't have, and it's suspended. I don't know. I don't work for the DMV. I don't work for the insurance. I don't work for Tallahassee. I'm letting you know in the state of Florida system that I have. You are suspended since July. Okay? Now.
But that's bullshit because then I would have got something in the mail stating that I had no car insurance, okay? My car insurance people would not insure me if I was suspended. They have been insuring me all this time. They contact DMV, the insurance company contacts DMV when a person is suspended from their license. That means that they're non-valid or they are suspended. They never contacted DMV.
Okay, I understand what you're telling me, sir, but I'm letting you know that on the system you're suspended. So
Well,
what I need from you,
Can you check another system?
No, the system. We only have one system we go by. Okay. So with that being said, I need you to sign.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Okay. That's just saying that you're going to show up to court. I need your fingerprint. I'm going to take that tag with me and you need to call somebody to come pick the vehicle and you up because you cannot drive.
Yeah, but if you're going to take the tag, then how is he going to drive the vehicle?
Just hold on.
It can't be on the road.
If I'm legal, okay, which I'm telling you that I'm legal, okay, so my driver's license is legal, my tag is legal. Why were you saying that my tag's not legal?
I never said it's not legal.
You said the thing around the tag is not
Okay,
legal.
what I said, that's a traffic infraction. Okay, you cannot have anything around the tag touching any letters or numbers. You see where it's touching the Sunshine State, the My Florida, you cannot have it touching any numbers or letters, okay? All right, I'm not giving you a citation for that. I'm just telling you that's one of the reasons I pulled you over, sir.
All right.
Okay, I'm not giving you, but I do have a cease tag order from the state of Florida to take your tag. So I will be taking your tag.
Well, show me where you have that.
See, and a lot of people don't know that, you know, when you go to buy a car or something like that, they may have like one of those frames, you know, that make your license plate look nice or whatever. You can put your license plate in it or whatever, but technically you can't have that. And then another thing that a lot of people don't know is technically, you know, when we have those air fresheners that you put around the mirror or whatever inside the car, they sometimes it's obstruction of view or whatever. So these are like petty little things that can get you jammed up that, you know, 99.5% of cops are not going to stop you for that. But that 0.5 is, you know, can make a big deal out of it in case, you know, they may not have nothing else to stop you for, but that might be the one thing to be like, oh, well, we stopped you for this, you know. So, or people just add it on as like tackle, you know, put more, they may have stopped you for something else, but they'll add it to it just to beef up the ticket a little bit.
It's on my system, sir.
Can I see it?
No, sir.
Why?
Because I'm not required to show you that. Okay, I'm treating you with the most up respect. All I'm asking you is to sign this, give me a thumbprint. I'm gonna take your tag, and then you're gonna have to call somebody to come pick you in the vehicle.
Get them together. How many times you gonna ask? Get them together, man. Take them to jail. Come on, let's go. Showtime. I ain't about to keep asking now.
We're not gonna stand here all day.
Can I go show you my insurance?
No, right now, no. That's not gonna matter. I'm telling
Well, I
you.
want your supervisor that, because what you're doing to me is illegal, bro. You're going against my rights as a United States American citizen. Hold on. You are, because you are. You threatened to fucking take me away and arrest me. That was number one. Number two, you're saying that I am not legit on the road, and I'm telling you that I am. So that's two infractions that you're going against me, against my rights as a United States American citizen.
My question to you.
I want your supervisor here so I can explain these things to him.
Yes, I will call the supervisor, okay? Are you going to sign the citations? Traffic 13 and traffic 12, can you be 51? Sir, come here. Listen, sir. Sir, come here.
Give me my keys.
No, put your hand behind your back. No, listen, don't stop. Put your hand behind your back.
No, you're not going to arrest me, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not illegal. I'm not illegal.
Don't stop.
Get them together, man.
All right, calm down.
He ain't acting right.
Calm down, bro. Just calm down.
Get your hand
What you're
behind your
doing
back.
is trespassing me. You're trespassing.
Get your hand behind your back.
Ooh, wait, come on now.
Behind your back.
There we go. There we go.
Dude, you could go to you could get in trouble for this. You could go in trouble for this.
Give me your hand.
No, you the one that's getting in trouble.
Do you realize?
Put your hand behind your back.
You could get in trouble for this.
Man, where the taser at? Get him right,
Officer,
man.
You could get in trouble for this. Give me your hand now. Put your hand behind your back. You could get in trouble for this. Put your hand behind your back. I'm legal, bro. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Motherfucker, put your hand behind your back. Put your hand.
Yeah, put his face right in the concrete, man. Ooh, got him. Ooh. Ooh.
Bullshit.
That boy put some extra pressure on the back of his head into the concrete. Hold up. Look how the other officer get him right. Look at this.
I'm legal. I'm legal, bro.
Wait till my boy comes. Look.
Put your hand behind your back.
Oh. What you doing?
Motherfucker, put your hand behind your back. Put your hand.
Look at this. Watch this. Good knee. Oh, the knees to the
Bullshit.
that got wild, boy. Put his face in the concrete and the knees to the chest, boy, or ribs, whatever what it was. He got his ass together, boy.
Roll over. Stand up.
Can you get my glasses, please?
I guess he learned a valuable lesson, boy. Them glasses broke. That's a fact.
My glasses flew off my head. Can you please
Sit inside.
All right.
Hold on.
Damn. That boy grazed his head against the concrete like it was a cheese grater, boy.
Mark was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on specified personnel, and driving while license suspended, revoked.
Damn, they put his head. Yo, that officer had his head on that concrete like a cheese grater, boy. Oh my God. Then he was giving them the rib shots with the knee. Hey, should have just listened, man. He should. All that was unnecessary, boy. But yeah, anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. I think the cop was as reasonable as he could be. I mean, to keep asking and all that stuff, man, we should have got to this. This should have been, you ask him 2 times. If I got to ask you a third, it's a wrap, man. That's how that thing should go. But, you know, they did pretty good. So 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.